challenging, especially if you need to ask your friendly voice assistant one question after another. You may find yourself asking multiple questions in a row and then waiting for each response. Lisa, what time is it? Lisa, what is the weather forecast? Lisa, what is the traffic to work? Lisa, what is the latest news? Having this type of back and forth conversation with Lisa can get instead you can combine all these questions into one single process known as a routine. Add multiply question, request task and other action for Lisa to give on. Then when you want all these request answer, just give Lisa the name of the thing and she automatically responds to the action you added. You will find a new built-in in the Lisa app, but you can also create your own. Let's go through the process. Open the Lisa app on your mobile device. Tap the Immerbragger icon in the upper left and then select the entry for at the screen. Tap the heading for future. You should find three built-in an arm in dismissed Aliza good night and Aliza start my day. Tap the routine for Aliza start my day to see the action it contains to show you the different action that occur when you say Aliza start my day. Tap the switch in the upper right corner to enable the routine. Now say Aliza start my day and Aliza will run through each of the distant action telling you are something new, giving you the traffic, giving you the weather and so on. You can wait until Lisa finished or just say Lisa top to end the routine at any point. Back at the screen, the routine you just enable will be visible in the your routine section. From here you can control the echo device on which this routine will play. Tap the play button to the far right of the action name, then tap the name of the echo on which you want to run this action. Lisa start running the routine on the echo. You can modify this routine by adding or removing action. Tap the name of the action, tap the edit link under the name of the routine to change it. Now you can move, delete and add action. To move and an action, drag it up or down by its double bar at the right of the action. To remove an action, just tap the thing in front of it. To add an action, tap the link for add action. Add the screen to add an action. Tap the category of the action you wish to add. You can make Aliza announce calendar event, read email, play music, relay traffic and weather information, or provide your flash. Aliza can also be made to change certain setting on your eco device, control your smart home, or even simply wait a specific period of time between action. Many of the categories contain